Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. The topic that we guys are going to discuss today is about Amazon PPC ads, and in particular sponsored ads. Sponsored ads are the ads that show up on Amazon where we can promote our products and get some sales. So before we dive right into it, guys, if you guys are new here, as always, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and the bell icon so you guys get notification whenever I post my new videos. So let's dive right into it. So here we go, guys. Come to the Amazon Seller Central, and then scroll down to advertising, and then to campaign manager. This is how you can get to your PPC Amazon PPC ads. Once you are here, you just click on here. You go here, and then on the left hand side you got portfolios, campaigns, your draft campaigns, budget settings, and everything else. Your targeting, whether you're keyword targeting, negative words, negative keywords, positive keywords, and everything else. Your settings. So basically what you need to do is just go to campaigns, and then over here it's just going to show you your ad spend, sales, impressions, and everything else. Down here is all your campaigns, and if you want to create a new campaign, all you have to do is just create new campaign. Over here is going to show you the three types of Amazon ads that they have: sponsored ads, sponsored brands, and sponsored displays. Sponsored ads are the ones that we are interested in today. So we just go and click continue here. This is your Amazon new campaign for the ads where you're going to make your campaign. So basically you have to name your campaign, whatever campaign you are making. So just name that. So let's do a test campaign. For this purpose, leave the date and timestamp as it is. And over here, you can just upload any of your products that you want to. Let's say if I want to advertise, I don't know, let's say this coffee over here. And then you come down here. There's two types of targeting. Either it's automatic targeting or manual targeting. If you're just starting out, I would suggest that you guys can go with automatic targeting. That should be all right because Amazon does everything itself. So as it says over here, Amazon will target keywords and products that are similar to the products in your ad. Okay, but then on the manual ones, you have to choose the keywords or products to target shoppers, search, and set custom bids. So everything will be customized, and that will be according to yourself, like whatever you want. That's what you want to set it to. Okay, and under the targeting, there's automatic targeting, where you have to set the default bid. Suggested bid for this particular coffee is 83 pence. 83 pence for every click. You can always change it. They say it's between 71 and £1 8 pence. You can even put it to 20 pence, 30 pence, 50 pence. Depends on your ad budget and how much you want to promote that particular product. So you set your default bid, and then go down here. Further down is got negative keyword targeting. If you want to target exact negative words or negative phrases. So let's say, for example, you do not want to target, for example, coffee whisks. So if you are just doing, let's say, coffee or black coffee, you don't want your ad to be shown for somebody who's searching black coffee whisks, or whisks for black coffee, or whatever, mugs for black coffee or whatever. So if you want that, you can put those negative keywords here, and then it will not show you ads on those. Okay, so that's that. Or you can go according to the exact words or phrases. Okay, and then apart from that, if you just come further below, you can see the campaign settings. This one is very, very important, guys, because this is your bidding strategy. So with this strategy, the Amazon's algorithm understands what kind of marketing you want to do. So for example, if it says dynamic bids down only, that is, they will lower the bids in real time. So let's say if you have bid for, I don't know, your default price is 70 pence. So it's if it's less likely to convert, they're going to dynamically reduce it to 50 pence, 40 pence, 30 pence, whatever is like the standard. The system will do it automatically, so we don't have to be involved in that, right? And if you do dynamic bids up and down, so it'll do the same for both. So let's say if you put 70 pence as your bid, and if it's likely to convert, I don't know, on £1, it's going to change it to £1. As it says over here, Amazon will increase your bids by a maximum of 100%. So that is, if you put 70 pence, they can make it to 140 pence. Okay, in real time, and the ad is more likely to convert to a sale, and lower your bids when less likely to convert to sales. And then you have obviously the option of fixed bids. So whatever you have set is just going to stay that. I personally find that whenever I do dynamic bids up and down, the ads work better. But then it clearly depends on your ad strategy, what strategy you want to go to. Like if you don't want to go over your budget, then always select down only, so they can reduce it. So that shouldn't be a problem. So over here you just have to give the name again, whatever name we gave here, test campaign. So that's just for yourselves. The customers don't see these things. So your start date, your end date, and your daily budget. So daily budget can be anywhere like from £10, £20, £50, whatever your marketing budget is. You set that. And while before we do that, let me show you the manual targeting. So if you go to manual targeting, it's going to open over here like that. So you want to do keyword targeting or you want to do product targeting. Always I prefer, and I was highly recommend you guys to do keyword targeting, because keywords are the way the system understands like where it has to advertise your product. And products, like choose keywords to help your product appear in shopper searches, choose specific products, categories, brands, or other features to target your ads. But that is too broad. I wouldn't do that. I always do like keyword targeting. So once you've done that, you come down here. So it's showing you the suggested bids. If you want to do filter it by broad, phrase, or exact. And over here they have got all the keywords that you can add if you want to. So let's say for example we select for coffee. We don't have coffee beans. What is it? Coffee. Yeah, that's just roast coffee. So let's do coffee, ground coffee. These are tea bags, coffee bags. So coffee bags. Do, 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 uh, Roast coffee. So let's say we have targeted for these keywords, and every one of them have got their own suggested bids. You can, as I said, always change them. So once you have done this, guys, all you have to do is just go down and launch your campaign. So once you launch your campaign, it's going to show you success. Congratulations, your campaign has launched successfully. Da 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 da. And your portfolio, you haven't, like I haven't shown you the portfolio. I'll make a separate video for that. So once you have your portfolio, you can always add your particular ads to a certain portfolio. Like you can make portfolio for, I don't know, coffee, for edible things, for non-edible things. Like every portfolio can be different, like for home, for gardening, or whatever. And then you can add your ads into those portfolios. Then you can monitor the whole portfolio as a portfolio, how the ads are performing. Okay, so this is and this is all done, guys. So that's all from me. If you guys have anything, please feel free to write down in the comments, and I will do my best to answer you guys back. And I will be making more of videos for about Amazon PPC ads, and I'll go through the other ones as well. And yeah, if you guys have anything else, please let me know, and I'll be able to help you guys. And as always, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. So it helps me and helps the YouTube algorithm to show the video to other people as well. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Have a good day.